Have you ever tried to learn an instrument? Well, they made it easier where you actually pick up the piano, the organ, or whatever you want to call it, and just download the app and it'll take you step by step. Now, the whole system is very simple to put together. There is some light, LED light, that will take you step by step on every single note that you play. Now, they have various songs installed in the app and added to it and the collection, and this will get you up and running at no time. Not only understanding your keyboard, but also reading and also playing the notes. Now, these pianos come in the various colors. Type C to connect and power it up. And not only that, you could use this as a MIDI station. So that means you could transfer everything you have in here over to your computer and even synthesize from here. It's very simple to just get up and go. So if you ever want to learn how to play an instrument, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.